Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing this really cool silver magnetic polish all over, and today I've got two affordable options from Born Pretty store that I'm going to test out for the first time. I've got the silver magnetic cat eye polish in a regular nail polish formula as well as in a gel formula, and I want to see which one I like better. Born Pretty recently rebranded their website. They used to be bornprettystore.com and now they are just bornpretty.com, and both of these magnetic polishes are currently available on their website for $5.99, and you can get 10% off anything on their site including sale items with my code MGL10. And I'm going to be using this magnetic stick that has two ends, one side with a rectangle magnet and the other side with a small circle magnet. So I'm going to start off with the regular polish formula, and this one is called the Snowlight Cat Eye Polish, and the item number is 50026. And you can use this polish over any color, of course, but in all the pictures that I saw, I really liked how it looked over a nude base, so here I'm applying 2 coats of a regular nude polish. Then I'm going to apply 1 coat of this magnetic polish, and before that has a chance to dry, I'm going to use the magnetic stick with the circle end to kind of move around the magnetic pigment a little bit. And then I repeated that step with 1 more coat of the magnetic polish, but to me I feel like the second layer kind of lost that magnetic feel to it, and it kind of just looked like a regular silver foil polish. And here are 2 coats of the Snowlight Cat Eye Polish. And the other polish that I'm going to be trying is the Magnetic Silver Snowlight Gel Polish, which is item 49772. And I'm also going to be using a nude base for this one, so I'm applying 2 coats of a sheer nude gel polish, curing after each coat. Then I applied 1 layer of the magnetic gel polish, and what I really love about magnetic gels is that you can take your time and play around with the magnetic, and then whenever you're happy with the design that you create, then you can cure it. And unlike the last polish, I can really take my time with this magnetic gel polish, so here I'm just experimenting with both sides of the magnet to see what different kinds of designs I can make. And I just thought that this shot with the magnet underneath was just really cool to see how the magnetic pigment moved without the magnet blocking the way. Okay, so I may have gotten a little carried away with the magnet, but I think there's just so many fun things to do with this magnetic polish, and I just found it so fascinating. But what I ended up going with in the end was I used the small circle magnet around the edges of my nail, and I thought that just gave me a look where the magnetic pigment just really stood out. So I did that pattern on all of my nails, and then I cured them in an LED lamp for about a minute. And to make it more opaque and add a little more sparkle, I just applied 1 more coat of that silver magnetic polish. I used the magnetic stick to add the same pattern, and then I cured it for a minute. Here's the finished look with 2 coats of the silver magnetic gel over the nude base. And here's a side-by-side comparison of 2 coats of the magnetic polish and the magnetic gel polish, and I'm definitely team gel on this one. I feel like the regular polish kind of just looks like a regular foil polish, but the gel really gives it that special effect. So here's a clip that I took on my phone with the flashlight on, and I feel like this video just showcases this magnetic polish so much better than a picture would, and you can really see how that magnetic polish looks at different angles. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison between the Born Pretty Snowlight gel polish and the regular polish. I definitely loved the gel polish better. I think the effect was really cool, and I've tried out other magnetic gel polishes before, but this one is definitely my favorite. Let me know if you've tried this kind of product before or something similar, even if it's from another brand, and if you have any recommendations, feel free to leave those down below. And I want to know, which one did you like better? Did you like the regular polish better, or were you also team gel? If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!